This is going to sound backwards about cholesterol. So let's continue this. Yes, when we talk about cholesterol, often think about heart attacks, strokes. Yes, actually, when you build up the bad cholesterol, it does lead to this. But cholesterol is so very, very important to your body. So in the last two videos, we've talked about how it keeps your cells nice and structured. It helps to digest your fat and also create some of the vitamins that your body needs. Now, this video is going to be how it does help for your brain. Did you know that your brain alone is about 2% of your whole body weight? And your brain actually contains about 20 to 25% of all the cholesterol in your body. And this is not an accident because your brain actually depends on cholesterol every single second. And we're going to talk about this. Your nerve cells constantly sends electrical messages to your brain, like all the time. And as you know, I love analogies. So you have to think of cholesterol like the insulation around the electrical wires. You know, like how electricity works? Pretty much the same with your nervous system sending messages to your brain. And cholesterol, it's just like the isolation around it. Cholesterol is actually the major building block of myelin. If I'm not pronouncing it properly, I'm just gonna put it here. All right? So this is a protective coating that helps all of those signals to travel very quickly and efficiently all the way up to your brain. And this is actually what is allowing you to think, to remember, to move, and to react in a second. But that's not all. Cholesterol is also a key ingredient in the membrane surrounding your every single brain cells. And what it does, it actually allows the brain cells to communicate with each other. Which means that if there would be no communication, there would be no learning, no memory, and no coordination. So the goal is not to eliminate cholesterol. The goal is actually to have a healthy cholesterol level. Because when we get that, all the cholesterol particles, they're going to do their own jobs without building inside the arteries or, like creating what we fear of, heart attacks and strokes. Cholesterol is not only the enemy. The most important thing is to keep the cholesterol within the healthy levels. So yes, cholesterol is an essential part of keeping your brain and keeping the rest of your body alive and functioning. Super important. But you need to stay with me because I will get to how, the heart attacks or the strokes are created. But for now, I just wanted to take the time to actually make a few videos on how important cholesterol is. Your liver also produces it because it is needed all throughout your body. We'll get there. I promise we'll get there. But for now, I just want to talk about the good things that cholesterol does into your body and how important it is. And by explaining all of this, I'm also going to do some teaching about how to keep your cholesterol in a very healthy level so that your body can benefit from it and function, max without creating the negative outcomes. All right, so I know you've got this. Till the next one, doodoo.